tonight I am very excited to have my old friend Matthew Zeiss and his new band, the New York Sound, here with us. What's up, dudes?
What's going on, man? Thank you for having us.
No, I'm psyched, and you guys brought the whole crew here. You got like drums, you got bass.
We're missing one. He got into a T-bone fender bender.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, he's good though. His car's not good, but he's good.
This is like today?
Today.
Oh,
So we would have had a bigger crew, but
yeah. So because I know you have horns.
we do
sometimes.
Yeah. We have 3 horns and 1 more guitarist, and the guitarist is the one that got T-boned.
Because I was able to check you guys out at 89 North last month, and I loved it, man. You had Billy Hanley up there too.
Yeah, man. Yeah. He's a great.
Billy Bad Bones, such a good kid. You know what I'm saying?
He is, man. He's
like,
a solid dude.
Like he really is.
Bad Bones.
So,
and let's not forget Geoff Jeff, the weatherman from News 12.
All right, yes.
News 12 and Mr.
The weatherman.
Tompkins.
I love it. So tell me a little bit about how the band came together.
You know, I kind of saw the band Nathaniel Rateliff and the Night Sweats on television.
Love them.
Me too. And it really gave me an inspiration to music that's now, I guess, acceptable. You know what I mean? Because I feel like that's a sound that it's of yesteryear, but now all of a sudden, due to whatever reasons, music has now accepted that sound back. So I saw it a moment to create this new sound, a timeless sound. You know, Eddie Money, Elvis, Eagles, John Mellencamp, things of that nature, and kind of blended that together and created a supergroup force sound. I was lucky enough, I met John through Dudley Music. He introduced me to
Another
Gary.
great
Gary
musician,
introduced
yeah,
me to
absolutely.
Eddie introduced me to Eric. And it just worked, you know, a little natural process. And the horn, you know, horns, I've known Jeff for a while. Billy, I've met through the scene. And Mo on trombone, I've known him for a while too. So it was just a nice combined force.
So you gonna play a track for us?
Yeah, we're going to play the leading single. It comes out November 29th, called Kiss This Ass Goodbye.
Okay.
It's kind of a nice breakup anthem, you know, if you will. I feel like it's something everybody feels when they leave a relationship, you know.
Exactly, and you know, it's from a guy's perspective. You know,
Exactly.
Normally it's the girls doing
This is
these
like
songs,
the male
you know?
equivalent of a Taylor Swift
Right,
record.
exactly. Power to the people. Manpower.
Yeah, that's what this is.
Here they are. It's Zeiss and the New York Sound with Kiss This Ass Goodbye on WHPC Rising Stars.
Did you really think you could get away with murder? Did you really think I was gonna let you cross the line? Well, you left me broken, left me shattered, left me, girl, but like I didn't even matter. Now you, miss, can't kiss this ass goodbye. Drive it to the limit. Pedal to the metal, you drove me out of my mind. Well, you drove me up a wall, drove me crazy, drove me to drink all because you were so lazy. Now you, miss, can't kiss this ass goodbye. You can kiss my ass. we had.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Love it, man. I actually like that better than the recording.
This is the
No,
first
I'm
time we've done it
saying, like,
acoustically.
it actually really translates well. I think, right? I mean,
I think so. I dig
and
it.
I actually didn't even have to mess with the levels. Like that was like right on.
Seriously, good for us.
I've always loved your voice. You know that.
Thank
like
you,
since
man.
you were a kid, basically. Right?
Yeah. I was like,
I know you at least
20,
12 years, like
yeah.
11, 12 years
yeah,
now.
and I'm 32, so
Right.
I was like 20 years old.
Yeah, dude. But yeah, you had more of like the you always had that really powerful voice, but you were doing more of like an Elvis-y type thing.
Yeah, I think
or
so.
like a
It was-
rock and
yeah, it was-
roll
yeah,
sort of.
it was very rock,
like 50s,
yeah.
60s rock, you know,
yeah.
which I thought was good for your voice. But this is such a because I ran into you like a year and a half ago, and
Something
you told
like
me
that,
you were
yeah.
like working on this, and you were
yeah.
like really excited about it. So I'm really happy that that it's come to fruition.
Me too, man. It's a it was a long treacherous road. Yeah.
Well, it is, but that's what it comes down to is that if you
Yeah.
have a vision, you really just got to focus on making sure that when you put it out there that it's going to be what you want it to be.
Well, that's
you
what
can't
we,
rush
we,
it.
We
you
spent
know?
a lot of time rehearsing before, breaking through the door to show people because I feel like it's better to give them the best than give them mediocre and strive towards the best.
Well, right, because there's too many people that are doing that. They're just rushing stuff out.
Yeah, you just
they're
put it
putting
out
songs
there.
out like every 3 seconds. It's
Exactly.
like it wasn't enough to have an album out. Like I guess with a lot of the hip hop people is where it started. Like
Yes.
Drake put out like an album with 30 songs and
It
like
makes
every
music feel-
every song was like on the top of Spotify. It's like
To me, it makes music feel disposable. You know what I mean?
I agree with you. So you guys, you're gonna play another one. Let's play a few songs. You guys will get like jazzed out, and we'll bring you back to play another live one in just a minute. All right?
Cool, man.
90.3 WHPC. This is Rising Stars. I am Rick Eberle, and we're here with Zeiss and the New York Sound. And I totally took them by surprise there because I didn't know the song was ending, and so I had to bring you guys into my misery.
Good thing that it's a good thing the fade cutted the fart out.
It
no, I was
did.
kidding.
Too much cheese. So we got another track. You sent me a bunch, so I'm psyched. I
did,
want to hear
man.
the whole album.
The album, it's gonna be 12 songs. We were gonna split it into 2, but just one powerhouse record.
Wow, dude, that's amazing. I can't wait to hear it all. I'm glad you sent me all that stuff. I'm gonna listen to it on the train back tonight. But all right, let's hear another one live. What are we gonna do?
Bridge is Yours to Burn. So this song, again, another breakup thing. I had broken up with a girl, and my buddy said to me, he's like, I guess the bridge was always hers to burn. I'm like, that's a great line, but I didn't want to write the song. I didn't want us to write the song, so I sent it to my producers. Like, hey, can you write a song like this vibe, but with this in mind? Because it's sometimes it's just nice to perform a song, And this is the song he came up with.
It's Zeiss and the New York Sound on Rising Stars.
We built a world out of whiskey and lust. We drove it through the rain till it started to rust. Should have pulled off the highway, Lord knows we missed our turn. We crossed a lot of troubled water, but the bridge was always yours to burn. I remember the spark that was hiding out in your eye. It used to light up the sky, but now it couldn't bring a candle to light. The lights went out on us, but we never did learn. Yeah, we both made mistakes, but the bridge was always yours to burn. Yours to burn. since it's already in your hand. Where we go from here isn't my concern. Yeah, I might have lit the match, but the bridge was always yours to burn. 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 Oh. Yours to burn. Yours to burn.
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Man, your voice is so good, dude.
Thank you, man.
And the band is really tight. I like you guys a lot. Seriously, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I'm really happy for you, Matt. I'm really happy for all you guys that you're bringing in some legit stuff for everybody. So
That's what the hope is, man. Bring some legitimate music, timeless sound.
well, that,
You know,
exactly. I love that. The timeless
Yeah,
sound.
the
It doesn't
goal
matter
was
what era it's from.
Exactly.
It's just good music.
Exactly. That was, the goal is like when you listen to something like the Eagles or Eddie Money, things of that nature. It was
That
good.
definitely has an Eagles feel
Yeah.
to it.
Well,
no
that
question. Yeah.
it was music that was good 30 years ago. It's good today. It'll be good 30 years from now.
Right.
That was the goal, to create this sound that everyone can just connect to at any age, any time.
I love it, man. You guys gonna stick around a little longer?
Yeah, man, absolutely.
All right, cool. We're gonna play a track off the actual record for everybody in just a few minutes.